By spending more time in light activities and less sedentary lifestyle, you reduce the risk of a first stroke. Moreover, relatively short periods of moderate to high intensity exercise further reduce this risk. Experts suggest that you don't need to exercise all the time to reduce your risk of stroke. Replacing a sedentary lifestyle with light activity will always benefit. Just take a short walk, get up from your desk, and walk around the house regularly. In other words, the idea is to sit less and move more. Reducing the number and duration of sedentary periods is always beneficial. For example, if you are going to spend the evening on the couch watching TV, try to get up and walk around every few minutes. Do the same if you are sitting at your computer all day. Try having a standing workstation or at least take regular breaks to take a walk. 4 to 5 hours of light activity every day reduces the risk of a first stroke by 26% compared to less than 3 hours of such activity. Moderate to vigorous activity for approximately 25 minutes per day, 3 hours per week, compared to the lowest reduces the risk of stroke by 43%. Examples of light activity include housework such as vacuuming, washing dishes, or light walking. These activities do not require rapid breathing, rapid heart rate, or sweating. This is a daily activity and relatively easy to do. Moderate vigorous activity can be organized in the form of brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, playing tennis, etc. Those who are armed are protected. Take care and be healthy.